So I just bought myself my first Bronco, twin turbo. Andy's All Access in the mountains of East Tennessee. The gentleman we just met, he actually made this golf cart to model his Bronco. And then once he made this, there were certain things on this that his Bronco didn't have. So then he had to make his Bronco look like this.
As a Bronco guy, I've got an old Bronco and I like the new ones. I think it's a good mix of old and new.
From the new to the old. Brand new Bronco, look how nice it is.
We try to do our own thing with Bronco, like I was saying with the IFS. We really tried to set this vehicle up to kind of play in a different part of the off-roading community, to exceed at off-roading over 5 miles per hour, which we think, there's like a lot of folks who really enjoy that type of off-roading, and I think it'll have a bunch of additional benefits as well on road. There's actually active drain plugs in the floor, and the floor is all sloped so that when you rinse this out with water, it all drains out into the ground outside.
Here's the key to the new Ford Bronco. Pretty cool looking key.
I just love the Bronco.
Let's take a look at this. This is the actual chassis of a two-door Badlands SASQUATCH with stock 35-inch tires, straight from Ford. Pretty nice. Nice tire, nice rim. I like the black. Little Bronco there bucking.
Well, I've been coming to this event for several years, and I didn't even know the new Broncos were going to be here, so it's a good surprise.
Check out this beauty. These doors are actually made by Ford. They're OEM parts, but you have to get them from the manufacturer as an add-on. For all things related to the 2021 Bronco, please like and subscribe to my channel.